Hello everyone. This will be our 7th video where we will talk about the importance of implementing multi-agent systems in sourcing projects and how to optimize their implementation to ensure efficiency and scalability. Before we start, could you tell me a little bit about your needs and expectations for this project?
Hi. We are exploring solutions to improve decision-making and process automation in our sourcing projects. However, we want to ensure that the implementation is feasible and cost-effective. Could you explain what the initial assessment is and why it is important?
Of course. The initial evaluation is a crucial phase in any contracting project, as it lays the groundwork for its success. An analysis of contracts is performed to review terms and conditions, ensuring that they are compatible with project objectives and comply with regulations. We also analyze historical and market data to make informed decisions. From a technical perspective, project requirements and feasibility can be assessed, ensuring that adequate resources are available.
I understand. Now, as far as multi-agent systems are concerned, what are the essential elements of your design?
A multi-agent system is composed of intelligent agents that interact with each other to achieve common or individual goals. First, we define the structure of the system, either hierarchical or decentralized, depending on the complexity of the problem. Then, we identify the roles and responsibilities of each agent, ensuring efficient communication and coordination. We use methodologies such as role-based analysis and BDI, beliefs, desires, intentions models, to structure the agent's decision-making.
That sounds very interesting, but how do we ensure that these systems work properly before a full implementation?
Very good question. For that, we pilot test and optimize the predictive algorithms prior to deployment. In the pilot test, we deploy the system in a controlled environment and evaluate its performance. This allows us to detect potential failures and adjust parameters to improve accuracy. We then apply optimization techniques such as hyperparameter tuning and cross-validation to improve system efficiency.
It seems like a very solid approach. What is the next step after the pilot phase?
Once the system has been optimized, we implement its deployment in controlled phases. This involves dividing the process into manageable stages, allocating resources efficiently, and assessing risks in each phase. In this way, we can identify problems early and apply corrective measures without affecting the entire project.
And in terms of scalability and system maintenance, what strategies do you recommend?
Scalability is key to ensure that the system can grow without affecting its performance. To this end, we design modular architectures that allow new agents to be added without interrupting the system's operation. We also establish continuous monitoring mechanisms to detect anomalies and perform updates when necessary. In addition, we manage failures through redundancy and tolerance strategies, ensuring that the system can quickly recover from any problem.
It seems to me a very structured and effective approach. What would be the first steps to start with the implementation?
The first step is to perform a detailed analysis of your needs and define the specific objectives of the multi-agent system. Then, we will proceed with the system design and the planning of pilot tests. With the results of these tests, we will optimize the algorithms and structure the deployment in controlled phases. Finally, we will implement monitoring and maintenance strategies to ensure its long-term success.
Excellent. I would like to go ahead with this plan and work out some sort of timeline.
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize PPA energy contracts.